Hi everyone, here we've got a OnePlus Nord N10 5G, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now it doesn't really matter if you will be on your video, photo mode, portrait, it doesn't matter. Just tap on this three bars icon, tap on the settings right here and scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the video resolution option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got only two options to choose from. In order to change it, just tap on the one you want to use. For example, this one, as you can see, it is marked, and it means that it has been immediately applied, so from now on you will record videos in chosen quality. So that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.